Hi, continuing on with our project, we're going to look at our basement now, and we're looking at the electrical here. Since we got our receptacles here, and we got our panel, and as you notice, these are all MEP because they have the connectors on them, where they connect conduit or whatever, or circuiting. So that's what those are. And then we've got our water tank here, same thing. They got connectors for water and everything like that. So moving on here, what we want to do, this is more or less our basement plan. Now we normally would leave these on. We don't really show these in this job. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just duplicate this and I'm going to call this, I'm going to rename this to basement power plan or basement. This is going to be for our power. And we'll go okay for that. So this is our power plan that we're looking at now. And we can apply, I think we got view templates for this. Let me just see what they look like here. We go here to apply. Nope, I don't want to do this. Nope, I don't want to do that. Nope. I want to go and say that one. And then there's an electrical plan with its settings. They set for 1/8 of an inch. I might change this to 1/4 of an inch. And then let's just see what that looks like. Okay. Okay, so this would be an electrical plan, okay, with using this view template. So we'll go with that. It looks pretty good. And so now let's go and look at our upper level, level 2, or the ground, well, yes, the upper level. And this is going to also be our architectural, but we're going to duplicate this out and we're going to name this one our power plan for level 2. I'm going to rename this level 2 power plan. Okay. Then here, same thing. We want to apply the view template here in this view. So we're going to apply view template. And here, for some reason, they had it at 1/8 inch. I want to see what that looks like at 1/8 inch. I think 1/4 inch is better. Interesting. Well, depending on what we have, and I don't like this view template for this. Well, I guess we need to show the flooring because that's what we're looking at is flooring there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo this. I'm going to bring back the other view template for the, I want to just change the scale, leave it as we did with the other one. This is going to be 1/4 of an inch. And say okay. Now, at this point, we have both of our levels, our plan views for the power and the floor plan. Now, next thing is we need to get the ceilings for each of these levels so we can show our lighting. So I'm going to go back to our basement here. This is our basement. But what had to happen, we had to create ceiling plans. And to create ceiling plans, you would just normally go here. You go up here. And let's see. Where it says plan views. And you have different plans that you can create from here, from these original plans. So I would like to say, for instance, reflect the ceiling plan. There it is, and then they'll list them all. And that's how I picked these up. So this is my basement ceiling, this one right here. I'm going to open that one up. So that's the basement ceiling. And we see our light fixtures, our panel, and our switches and everything. So now I'm going to leave that there, and then I'm going to go and do our level 2 ceiling plan. So there's level 2. Probably need to do some things here because I don't see my doors or anything here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go into my properties for this view and do a depth display, the view range. Now here, let's just stop this. Let's just play with this for a minute. Okay. We can come up a little bit. We need to see walls here. So something's going on there. I'll look at that later, but in the meantime, we can move on with our basement and continue with our electrical. So let's go back to the basement power plan here. And here's our box. And so then, you know, to do a power circuit is simple enough. We've done many before. Let's see here. So here I'll go on the systems tab. We probably should get these room names and everything. And I'm going to select this panel here. And I'm going to create a panel. And, no, sorry. This is my panel. I'm going to do a circuit here. Okay. Now in my electrical fixtures, hit power here, and then when I edit my circuit, and then I want to grab my panel. So I don't have a panel name for this, so I need to make one. So for now, let's just deal with this panel, for instance. I'm going to finish this, select this panel, and we'll call this guy, let me see here. What are we going to call it? Let's just say LP1, I guess. Let's just do this. There's several ways you can do this. It's just a tooth. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to connect these guys, because I don't know where we're at the moment. So I'm going to go here and just say this panel here, and we want to click the power, and then we want to, it's our panel. I need to get that guy a name, but it should be defaulting to LP1. And then I want to edit this circuit, edit this circuit. So just go grab everything here. Okay, cannot add standard circuit 2 number of posts does not match. Okay, so we got an issue there. So I'm going to cancel that. This box is not, let me see what we got here. Okay, so these are not flying. So what I want to do, I'm going to go with another panel here. So with the 225. Okay, constraints, disconnect. So what I've got here is a little mess, folks. Sorry. I might end this here because I don't know where I am with time on this because my clock stopped. But let's try to go through this because I want to just get the circuits going in this thing. So on the line, let me see, tab. There. Okay. That's not working. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there and fix this mess. But we got our plans drawn, set up. We got our basement. We got to fix that. I don't know what's going on. We'll have to take care of that. But we'll get these going, get these finished. I'll get the circuits all straightened out with the lighting and basically our power plan. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Be safe, y'all. Bye.